Hello guys, Pepe here with the NSX, an update. After the craziness of going on vacation and having the car ready, well, I drove the car for 1,800 kilometers, which I think is, I don't know, 2,600 miles or something like that. The drove car amazing, even though, you know, the accident and all that stuff that I told you guys about. I got even more in love with the car, driving it fast in the mountain passes and all that, pretty cool. And so I'm now back, and I received long time ago the keyless entry I bought, but sadly I received it a long time ago, but I left the day it arrived, so I couldn't install it. I bought it from a guy in NSX Prime and the NSX Prime group in Facebook called Nelson Kwong. Super nice guy. Pretty well priced. It comes with the controllers, which they look awesome. And I mean, basically following his PDF instructions to install it. I found the plug up there with the blue tape. The blue tape is in the back. You can barely see it there's a blue tape. And I already run, these wires are for the trunk release and the lights. So I'm going to connect it all and see if it works. Because, you know, the old thing with the key, I don't like it much because I'm a guy that doesn't like to scratch things. And with the key, it's so easy to scratch stuff. So I'm going to be very happy not to have to use the key. So I will continue with installation, following the instructions, and then I will show you guys how it works. All right, bye. So here is the keyless entry chassis install. It was so easy to install it. With the instructions, you can do that. The only thing I would say is that the cable for the trunk release, I think it is, you need to go to you know, when the Cirque du Soleil is around town, you go there and you pay one of the contortionists to install the cable for you, because you need very little hands and be really flexible to get into the bloody wire. But after that, well, you will get this. So you basically hold it for 4 seconds. The lights will flash, boom, and the trunk will open. And now the trunk. Oh, let's unlock it first. It's unlocked. Trunk is open. I will close the trunk. And now I'm going to lock. The doors are unlocked because it's just unlocked it. Doors are unlocked. Going to lock it. Beep. Now doors are locked. If I press the lock button again, the lights are going to flash, which is another feature, the other additional feature. Oh. So I guess that will help me to find the car, maybe, I don't know, but that's good. So you see, now I'm going to unlock it again. Now it's unlocked, lights are flashing, and now I'm going to open the trunk again. 4 seconds you have to hold it, hold it less than that. Boom, and now the trunk is going to open. Tunk. Now car is unlocked, so the alarm didn't went on, and yeah, so it works. So it works really well. Locked. It's perfect. So now here, this is how it looks like inside. You can see here, that's the box. Those are the cables that run from the other side. So trunk release and lights come from that side. So one of them is all the way up to about this area here. For me, it was really hard to get it, but anyways, you need to tap the cable. So pressing the tap is super hard. Anyhow, so yeah, that's how it's wired and connected to the two different cables and crimped, and that's it. And now you put the glove box and hide it behind, and that's the end of it. So yeah, that's the update with the aftermarket keyless entry, which works amazing, and the controllers look amazing too. I really like them. So awesome. Thank you, Nelson. Bye.